guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video we will mix elegant blue and elegant red matte latex paint. Elegant blue is a brilliant dark blue color. It works for everything from kitchen cabinets and living room walls. This color can be surprisingly fresh and calming. Elegant red is a strong and vibrant color. It pairs well with neutrals like white and soft pastels such as mint green, light gray, and light blue. Before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell to keep updated on our upcoming paint mixing tutorial videos. And please don't skip ads. It's a big help to me as a small content creator. Thank you so much. Our client order 1 liter elegant blue matte latex paint mix. First, let's cut acrylic color, phthalo blue. Next, let's add flat latex white. Let's also add gloss latex, phthalo green. Stir the paint very well. Let's now compare to the client chosen sample. We are just a little darker. Let's add again acrylic color, phthalo blue, gloss latex, phthalo green, and more flat latex white until it became fully 1 liter. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. Let's compare it once again. We are more darker. Let's add more acrylic color phthalo blue and flat latex white. It's almost the same. Just add more flat latex white to make it lighter. Also drop acrylic color phthalo blue. Yes, it's the same. Already. Mixing. Accomplished. Let's now mix our next order. 1 liter matte latex, elegant red. First, let's add acrylic color urethane red. Then drop small ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Also drop a little acrylic color phthalo blue. And acrylic color black. Stir the paint very well. Okay, let's compare to my client chosen sample. It's almost the same. Just add more ochre color tulitin, red, black, phthalo blue, semi-gloss latex white, and also acre color raw sienna. We are little lighter. Let's add more ochre color black and ochre color raw sienna to reduce the brightness. More on red shade. Let's add more ochre color, black. It's almost the same. Just add more ochre color, blue, to make it a little darker. add more acrylic color raw sienna. Yes, it's the same shade already. Mixing accomplished. Thank you to all my subscribers, viewers, likers, and supporters. Hope you share it to your friends too. It's a big help to me as a small content creator. God bless, guys.